I so love your hair! Huh? There's a new Barbie for sale? It's a rich Barbie! Oh my gosh! So expensive! It suits me! Are you, like, rich enough to buy me? Of course! Here, take my money! And a gold bar for your tip! Thanks, madame! Come out and play, rich doll! Look how elegant you are! We're so meant for each other, aren't we? Ouch! It's two! Ew! You'll be fine! Bye! Help me! Please! What's that noise? Take me home, please! Aww! What do we do now? How about rich versus poor doll gadgets and hacks? Join us! Walking the dog on the catwalk. Smile for the paparazzi! Dog pad? I can't wear these now! Of course you don't have to! You're a rich doll, remember? You have quite a shoe collection. Now take your pick! Oh, wow! There's like a lot of them! Okay, these ones! Good choice! What do you think? Love it! Let's say hi to our fans again! Do you think I have what it takes to be a model? Why are you walking on bare feet? Have you forgotten we're poor? We can't buy shoes! Not too poor to buy a glue gun, though! Ew, what's this? Just you wait! Sassy boots! Look how classy! You want me to drink this? No, I'm showing you that we can jazz them up using this! Now hop in! This better be good! Now for some glitter coating! Wow! Check them out! Like them? I'm gonna make you suffer! Like how? Take this! Ew! Ah! For sure you need to go! Here's your portable toilet. I'm decomposing! That's why you don't eat red chili peppers! Do you smell it, my fragrant poop? We can, like, make something with this! Oh yeah! Dip that plain lollipop into the sticky corn syrup. Coat it very well and then swirl it into your finished product. Ew! So yummy! I ate it all up! What? Didn't leave some for me? Well then, I'll just chomp on this. All mine! Ugh! Nasty! I'm not sure what's making me feel gross today. I just drank some milk. Yes, from that bottle. Ew! Has the milk gone bad? My tummy can take it anyway. If drinking this milk made your tummy upset, maybe its bottle can give you some relief. Oh, I smell another DIY project. What is it? Ta-da! DIY toilet! Wow, how creative! Gotta go now! Oh, check it out! A long candy worm! Want some? Ew, no! This is what rich dolls do when they want a new bag. They kind of stuff it up too much until it finally breaks. Ta-da! Now I need a new bag! Hey, rich girl, come here! Why? Need something? Look! Don't you think I need a new bag? It's like ruined! A new bag, you say? How about a cute one? Sorry? Like, what is this thing? A squishy chick backpack. This is so random, girl, but like, okay, hooray! Hi, Borbie. I made a DIY version of your famous backpack. Where is it? The cute yet useless backpack is like the new trend now. Haven't you heard? Oh my gosh, it's raining! My DIY cardboard backpack! My masterpiece is ruined! You poor creature! Loser! Huh? Oh no, your backpack! Game over! Worry not. I've heard there's a new doll backpack trend, so let's make one for you. Are you sure about this? Of course! It's viral! Ta-da! Disturbing, isn't it? But cats have a way of making things look cute. So let's stick this on. Cute, squishy backpack. Just like what Borbie has. Even better! Yay! I'm like so late.
Fast car and cool drink. What else is missing?
Disaster! Ah! How dare you! Oh no! Your dress! Don't worry. I have an idea. This doesn't feel right. I can change myself, you know. Are sequin dressings a thing again? What do you think? Well, why don't you try them? Start with this purple one. Glamorous! Wow! Preppy! Elegant! I'm starting to feel like a proper rich doll now. Gotta poop in the forest. We beat you to it! Why? Just why? Wait a minute! If we use our DIY skills and this cup and marker, did you know that we can make a dress catalog for you? Just draw one dress, then cut it out. Draw some hearts and some colors. See? You get to pick and choose! Now we can find a sock that matches your choice! Awesome! Just a sec! I'm prepping for the operation of the century! Now let's see what's making you miserable! This won't hurt! Ouch! A golden diamond! You're rich now! Now, let's give you a sparkly shower. Feel it?
Crazy rich girl!
You're welcome. What's that noise? Huh?
Run!
I have an idea! How about I equipped you with the finest weapons I can find? Now you can defend yourself! Come fight me, you dorky blob! I won! Did you see that? Of course! Someone's following me!
Mine!
Help! My bag! Bring it back! Gotcha! Where do you think you're going? Give me that! Shoo! Got it. Here. Aw, thanks! Can you do something about that monster? Good question. A mini go-away monster spray. Use this as your weapon. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. The monster melted! I can use what's left of it as a hat! Yay! Awesome! Do you, love me, Bent?
Sure, yeah, but your stomach growls. Let me think about it.
Major turn off! Okay, chill. I got this. So calm down. All you need is a grand romantic gesture. How about a picnic date with lots of food and games? But Like, Bent isn't a vegan. What now? Just eat your usual vegan stuff and give Bent his 100% beefy burger.
Pure beef!
Yum! Done! Huh? Banana peel?
Thanks for the protein, babe!
Cheesy! Slippery! Oh, don't worry. Let me cheer you up. I'm gonna make this camping trip special and unforgettable. Using this blister pack and some crafting skills, we can make you a mini frying pan. Go away! Just in time. We need something to cook. A rare delicacy. The aroma. I feel rich. Here, try it. Huh? You're gonna love it.